All right, everybody, let's talk about how to pack your suit or your sport coat when you're going on a trip and you don't have a carry-on bag and need to throw it in your suitcase, right? So first, the key thing is we want to protect this front part of the sport coat or the suit coat because that's the most important. That's what everyone is going to see. So the way we do this is take your jacket, okay? You put your hands inside kind of where the shoulder pads are like this, and you press it together, okay? And then you just want to wrap it. Right? So this way, this inside part, which is so important where the canvas is and the lapel is, this is being protected, right? And then I just take it very simply, take it, fold it, easy. Now, we're not rolling this, we're not stuffing in a bag, right? We spent a lot of money on these garments and they're very nice garments. We want to keep it that way. I just put the pants inside, okay, you can see that. And then I put this in my suitcase, right? So yes, if you spill shampoo or you spill a little toothpaste, it might get on the lining and that's okay, no one's gonna see it. We want to protect that front part of the garment. Really easy, you take it out, just kind of fluff it up. You get to your hotel, put it on this hanger. When you get home in your house, put it back in. But a really simple, easy way, protecting the front part, the most important part of the garment, this lapel, the front canvas. Are you ready for your trip?